Startup is something very much, addictive, and it seems so good, it seems, all beautiful, but one would only know the depth of it, the hardships of it, uh, in a real way once you are inside it. You just can't see how deep it is from outside world. You can never estimate as well. So the success that you see is one part of the 100 tries or 1,000 tries that you make. The other
Yes.
99 or 999 are all failures, and you should always pull yourself back after hitting the hard rock. After hitting the bottom, you need to check what. I mean, it's not just about getting up; it's about correcting things that you made wrong.
Yes.
Uh, at times, the total idea can be false. The total idea can be wrong because you never know at the start until you. It's all about it. There's nothing bookish about it. There's nothing. No, because it worked for him, it works for me. Is never there. It's different for every journey. It's different for every idea, and people need to experience it. It's something in life. It is risky, so people need to understand, and they need to start up only when they have a right kind of mentality, right kind of idea, right kind of commitment to start. So please don't start if you want to just do that. Paparazzi, have some, have your name going ahead, have that fame and all of that. Don't do it for that. You know, really understand why you're doing it. How long can you do it? How long can you stay with it? How long can you, what team do you have which can stay on it? What is the trust factor that you have? How reliable are you on your team? How reliable are your customers on your idea? So all the lot of evaluations need to happen before you start, because it is, I mean, people just think, in a job I need to report to my boss, I need to go on time, I need to get out in time, I can't take a holiday whenever I want. And if it's a startup, I can do whatever I want because I'm my own boss. I have no one to report to. I just don't need to go to the office if I don't feel like. I don't need to do the work if, I can get out whenever I want. It's a feel that I have, but trust me, it's completely wrong. Job is nowhere in a comparison with a startup. A startup is extremely under pressure to deliver, and if you're not delivering, you fall. So in a startup, I mean, the pressure is always satisfied with the passion and the desire that you have. So if that is not there, the day that passion dies, the day that the right thing dies, you're a liability. So you start dying out of that pressure for sure. But by dying, I mean you have different meanings to it. It doesn't mean literally dying, but then emotionally, financially, physically as well. At times, you just are drained so much. So always make sure that you have those strict things that you do, because you can't stop thinking 24/7 about your company once you are into a startup. In an office, you can just log off after your time. You just stop taking the calls, or you just stop worrying about your company. That will work. It doesn't happen in a startup. You just can't take a leave whenever you want. In your company, if you're taking a leave, it's fine. Your boss or someone else would look after your work. In your company, if you're taking a leave, no one would look after it. You wouldn't have someone like you to look after it. And you can't leave whenever you want because you never know whose calls at what times you need to answer. And then you are never the boss. Your customers are your boss. So it's always better to have one boss
Yes.
in a job rather than having thousands of customers in a startup or in a company. So these are something that people need to keep in mind before they start. It's not as colorful as it looks. It is colorful when it is successful, but all the journey is all through that pressure. I mean, it's even tough after it is successful. It's easy to start. Starting anything is easy, but maintaining it, waiting through all the hardship, waiting, getting things done until it is successful is something that needs to be there, and it is not never as easy as it looks or as easy as you feel. So people need to understand that point very much, and make sure that they understand it and have a reason on why they are doing it.
It's Life Garden, powered by Skybeam Solutions.